Hello everyone, I am Heaven Maivan and I will be teaching social science for class 6 to 8. Hello everyone, ngasi class 6 ki social science ki globe se tawji globe ki da latitudes ka longitudes ka yeng sing si. Okay, so first globe have je kaino. Globe is the model of the earth. Koi globe sikhange dana koi earth ki model oina saba ball man bado. We have seen many photographs of the earth in it is spherical in shape. Earth ki koi photo myam ure paper da maje spherical in shape oya paper do dekho na khang mangam de dana. But a model will give us a more realistic view of the sphere. Koi leriba ball man bajigi ball man na saraga tawtarga di magi realistic view haidi taseng na kamaina lei bage habdo ado kone khang mangam ni ba. That is why the small model of the earth known as the globe is made. Koi earth ki kara pik thaba model ama apikpa model ama globe ko ma sarai je sigi maram sigi neba. Being a three-dimensional model, it can be seen and comprehended easily. Phajana yengaga phajana koina kadai de kadai kari lei habdo karam jaga da karam balam haib lei habdo adu khangma ngame kamaina yeng kani habdu su yengse. A globe give us a clear vision of the shape of the earth. Koi shape of the earth ki yam clear of vision ma pi ngame. It shows the north pole ne koi earth lere karam uli monta north pole lere south pole lere adugi magi latitudes haibadi north pole south pole ki smine imaginary line khar cheli ba monda adugu uba mangi aduga longitudes north pole gi south pole amna samakpa line khar jo khoina uba phange adagi kai uba phange oceans and continents uba phange. Thus a globe is almost similar to real earth koi gi asengba earth chiga adum manaye ba magi mongse. Now the question arises is how to handle a globe. Kamai globe se koina kamai par kamai yeng do have that khana seba. Yam simple loy. A globe can be handled in or move with left hand towards right because our earth rotates from the west to east. Si agi khut oinani si jina globe se mai paraga yelom se mai ungan basum. Akoi earth ke movement je sineba from west to east in the anti-clockwise. Okay, so next time we yeng formerly globe were not convenient to carry around. Hanadi kadawi koi globe se yot na toroga or kai no khara kan hard material na plastic na toroga sarame ba aduna puthok pusin se nungai te ba bol matum sukchaw du sum pur cha pa nungai te tna adubu kadore folding globes which can be inflated are available. Hojikti kadore paktho han baya ba aduga nuksor nukchina kama kanda mu bol na ta olak ba adugumba makhal gi globe thol e bujikti. They are made of plastics. Plastic na sabani and can be kept in our pocket. Thupchal laga pikhaw thapaga chatpa yai ba. Some globes show relief features like mountains, plateaus and plains. Pura bol oi dabida mountain leba jaga dana khar tongkhat pa plateau leba plain leba adugumba koina fill tawba ya ba jaga khar su fill tawba ya ba utpa globe su leide bujche. You can even fill them by your hands. Koina khutna fill tawngam ba sida tongkal sida mountain lera mani gan fill tawba ngam ba ya ba globe su tholeba. You can rotate a globe just like the earth does. The north and south line of a globe is tilted because the axis of the earth is inclined at an angle of 66.5 degrees to its orbital plane. Haibagi atradi laidiba globe se smine kitang paidap tawbane ba loina. Kaigino hai matam da khoi gi laidiba prithvi je sijumana ungi ba jaga sigi da smina straight oi deba. North pole south pole lai deba. Kitang smina 66.5 degrees tilt taweba. North pole south pole smai laiba aduna globe su magi model da kitang paidap na laibane. Art ka chamana na semai niko. Because of this inclination we enjoy different seasons of the earth. Smai kitang incline to bodo 66.5 degree the incline to widana ma se aduna maram oraga akoi season me ama enjoy to banga minima summer winter suma mayam se spring autumn suma je ko. Makhatana however a globe has some disadvantages. Globe ki magi disadvantages khar su lai reba. As the globe represents the whole earth, the details of a region cannot be shown on it. Whole earth che bol macha da ulabani na yamna kuppa details macha state amagi city amagi changjal laga koina yengumati adudadi uba phangdreba. For example, globe sida leriba sukchaw ba globe sida whole earth ki model sida koina akogi Manipur thiru ta ga yam pikna lere moidra aduna sumba kanjida magi disadvantage khara la eba. Sumba sina kaidi yengani koina maps ta yengani. Maps ta yengakanda akogi India ki map Manipur ki map Imphal ki map kana smaina khara picture la kanda yeng mangam mani ba. So next time mo yeng ase It is difficult to locate places on sphere like the earth. Khoigi sphere manba earth chida khoigi jaga ma locate to bai je khara wani ba aduna adu locate to na bagi damakta reference point ani leireba khoigi earth chida kari kari nu yengasi. They are the north pole and south pole. Khoigi leireba prithvi gi matondana north pole makhadana south pole. These are the end point of the axis of the earth. Sijing je end point neba khoigi prithvi gi ungiba magi axis ama leijena sida ungdoni na maje dugi magi matondana north pole makhajina south pole. They act as basic points of reference for locating a place. Jaga ama akona locate tawgi damakta reference oin lawe haibe atradi north pole lagi asuk chatlaga sigi lamse lei, somda chatlaga si lamse lei, south pole lagi somda chatlaga si lamse lei haiba adugumba reference lobom ne moji. The top of the globe is the north pole. Khoigi earth ki globe ki top sina north pole lere and the bottom is the south pole. Rotate the globe slowly and draw a line midway between the north pole and south pole till it becomes a full circle. North pole lere south pole lere sigi smile leriba earth sigi maya is the round ma yek seba koina round ma full round circle ma yek seba. This is the largest circle we can draw on a globe. Khoi globe ta yek pa yaba khwaidagi chawba circle ma ne besida. Because the center of this circle is the center of the globe. Globe ki center oire sigi circle jina. Such a circle is called a great circle. Sumba circle jiba koina kai kaure great circle kaure. This imaginary circular line running halfway between the two poles is known as the equator. Adugi line da koina kai kaure equator. It divides the globe into two equal halves. Hojiki haribe equator jina khoigi prithvi je chap manaba tangkhai ani de khai do eba. Equator ki mathak thangmasina northern hemisphere aduga equator ki makha thangmasina khoina southern hemisphere. North ta laigiba hemisphere na northern, south ta laibiduna southern hemisphere. We know that a circle has 360 degrees. Khoigi circle amaje 360 degrees ne khoina khange. Since the globe is a sphere, it has also 360 degree. Globe se ju sphere amamnina 360 degree laiba magsu. If we go from the equator to the pole, we can cover 1/4 of the circle. Khoigi pull up lai riba earth chigi tangkai da equator lai re sidagi north pole bo chat pa kan sida kai lai re 90 degree ne ba man cover toi je. Sidagi makha kumdak pada 90 degree. Sidagi si yorok pada 90 degree. South pole lagi so equator makha lak pada 90 degree. Haibadi 90 degree pole amadagi equator bo lak pada prithvi gi 1/4 mari thokpagi saruk ama kal leba. Thus, the North Pole is located at 90 degree north of the equator. North Pole se equator dagi 90 degree north layeba. We call it 90 degree north. Likewise, the South Pole is located at 90 degrees south of the equator. Equator dagi 90 degrees south layeba. The value of the equator is 0. Equator ki value na kya ohella? 0 ohella. The equator to the North Pole or South Pole is 90 degree. Hanjo hai duni equator dagi South Pole North Pole or equator dagi South Pole se 90 degree ne. So we can draw 90 parallels of latitude at an interval of 10 in the northern and the southern hemisphere. 90 parallel latitudes khoi yek pa yai. Latitude sabdi earth chilere sida round circle sum yek pado. Sum pixel ka doni na ko ma se oda 10 interval la khoi yek pa yare ba. Since these lines are parallel to each other, moi gyujiki yek turiba line jingje parallel oibanina they are known as parallels of latitude. The parallels of latitude become smaller and smaller as we go from the equator towards the pole. Equator jina khwaidagi chaw haba natra circle do awdagi prithvi smai matum tasala kadoni choi pixel kadoni sesma yek pado sum pixel oida khwaila sadi kadore south pole yor kanda point 1 greba nga sagi latitude to aduga equator de mathak lom da sum round chakrakanda yekrakanda di north lom yor kanda di maje kai wera 0.1 greba. Okay, so next time we say latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Latitude se kaino laiba prithvi sigi maya de equator lare equator du gi smaina parallel the line amam sum chinga ga round kor lakpado adugumba angular distance ama laibido adu bo khoina latitude hareba. It is measured from the center of the earth. The angular distance of infall from the equator is 25 degree. Center earth ki center dagi low haba अर्थ की सेंटर दी कइनो इक्वेटर दो नत्रो इम्फाल जिना करोम द लेरे 25 डिग्री द लेब इक्वेटर दगी 0 लेरे सिदगी जुम काखलागा आ मतोन योब 90 योदनिदना अदु सिदि काखला कांदा 25 साइड लेरेबा कइगिनो इक्वेटर की मथक लेबनी इम्फाल से को 25 degree north. This angle is formed at the center of the earth. It means that the latitude of Imphal is 25 degree north. It is necessary to write the letter N or S with the value of the latitude. It helps us to know the location of a place north or south of the equator. Akhone degree iba matamda N natraga S iram bataka taiba kaigino ham ta 25 degree haram magadi equator gi north tara south tara khangmai ba aduna north iram magadi mathak ne khangba yare S iram magadi equator gi makha ne habado khone khangba yare. For example yengse Imphal and Pretoria South Africa da leba Imphal ji ju 25 degree ni magi latitude se aduga Pretoria su 25 degree ne ba magi latitude che. However Imphal lies in the northern hemisphere tabu hojiki akhoi gi Imphal city equator gi northern side la ibanina majibo koina 25 degree N irani Imphal gina aduga Pretoria gina 25 degree south ana irani ba equator gi south lomda 25 degree jatharaga laibanina mana. Next latitudes and heat zone singsi lariba latitude ki degree dugi matung inna magi asaba aingba yengseba. We know that the equator 0 degree, the north pole is 90 degree, the south pole is 90 degree. Sim dekhoin khange equator se 0 ni china 90 ni makha south pole su 90 ni. This is important oiba latitudes khar lere. Beside this we have 4 another latitudes. Hariba latitude ahum ji nataba mari imga leriba important oiba. They are kari no the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north, the Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree 30 minutes south. Tropic of Cancer kai lerni sida khoigi equator lere 23 degree 30 minutes north mathalomda siga chamanana sigi angle ga chamanana makha dana kai lere Tropic of Capricorn. Aduga the Arctic Circle nam lere equator lere sidagi Arctic Circle jinamu 66 degree 30 minutes north ta lere. The Antarctic Circle jina 66 degree 30 minutes south ta lere. Sijing je mukhana se. The Tropic of Cancer is important because on 21st June dida the sun is overhead at this latitude. High riba latitude china numita kwaidagi onjanba jaga am oiba. Likewise on the 22nd December the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. Next thing is the region between these two latitudes as the hottest of the latitude is the hottest on the earth. Therefore it is known as torrid zone. Sigi leriba Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn aduga mathakta lei mayai da equator le sigi leriba range sibu khoina torrid zone kaweba kaigino yamna sabagi. So akhoi hoji Tropic of Cancer khange dana Tropic of Cancer je akhoi gi India gi mayai waida power ga chaleba sije. The Tropic of Cancer passes through or the middle of or India. The area between the Tropic of Cancer mathakta laigre equator silere Tropic of Cancer mathakta laire and the Arctic Circle sigi mathakta laiba Arctic Circle je adugi and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Tropic of Cancer ga Arctic Circle gi marak sima laire equator laire si makha Tropic of Capricorn laire sigi makha da lairiba Antarctic Circle je siga mathaki ani do sisina yam sabju oide yamne ingbaju oide aduna moibu kai kaure koina temperate zones kaure. North temperate zone is in the northern hemisphere and south temperate zone is in the southern hemisphere. North temperate zone na northern hemisphere lere, south temperate zone na southern hemisphere lere. The regions between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, Tropic equator lere, Tropic of Cancer lere, Arctic Circle lere, Arctic Circle lagi di pole yosalani sigi marak se sigi yam ingeba. Aduga jaga amna karamba Tropic of Capricorn lere of the Antarctic Circle lere adugi makhai the South Pole lere sigi area se sigi yam ingeba. Ani je ingman bagi da makta moi bokoina frigid zone kaweba yam ing bagi da makta moi je kai kawre koina frigid zones kawre. Ngasai globes da first ki da longitude and latitude hai gi da adugi da longitude sina mu kai no mu yings. A number of imaginary lines are also drawn vertically by joining the two poles. Lairiba Prithvi ji ki north pole ka south pole ji se samnaba line am jo koin imaginary line koina globe da ye eba sigbu koina kai kawre. They are called meridians of longitude. On a globe, you can see that they form semicircle. Moina semicircle mo form tawe. Kai dagi moi reference lobam di yengaji ko mo ngasai gi latitude na kai dagi logi akoina equator dagi logi dana equator gi degree dugla pa degree aduk handaba na taw logi dana sumain taw dana longitude ki juma gi lobam reference ama leiba kada wai deno the longitude which passes through Greenwich Observatory near London is called the prime meridian. It is numbered 0 degree. London da Greenwich Observatory hai je London leib je si power ga chatpa longitude chubu akoina 0 degree duga prime meridian kore asa equator na 0 degree ogina latitudes ki longitudes ki na hoje ki prime meridian jina 0 degree ore. The semicircle directly opposite to the prime meridian on the other side of the earth is 180 degree longitude. Prime meridian gi opposite lom de leibiduna 180 degree longitude kore. Next east of the prime meridian up to 180 degrees is known as the eastern hemisphere, while west of the prime meridian up to 180 degrees is called the western hemisphere. Som the 0 degree laigre, som the 180 degree laigre. East lom the chat khibjing duna eastern hemisphere of the som the leiba jaga duna western hemisphere. We write letter E with the values of meridians for the eastern hemisphere and W with the value of meridians for the western hemisphere. Ngasagi N for north, S for south to give the siginamu is E for east and W for west. E gina east meridian aduga W na west meridian. It should be noted that 180 degree longitude is both east and west. 0 legre sumdo legi 180 degree do east to west suneb. All the meridians of the longitudes are equal in length. Hari longitude ching do adu do sangbo loina manai bang sai ti latitude jo mana gi de dana equator na khwai de sangbo re ade chunchu pixel ine adu bu longitude se di north pole to south pole lak pani na loina mana re sangba je they all converge at the pole sidagi toroga smaina pole jing de loina convert tawe. The distance between two meridian decreases as we go from the equator to the pole. Equator dagi lak pa da sona converts torpa sidagi lak pa ju converse torpa du di potos maina konjela kadoni na loina naksana reba pole ma pada sidale ramba side gi horpa longitude ju south pole oboda naksana reba. On a globe you will see that the parallels of latitudes and the meridians of longitudes form a network. Latitudes ka longitudes lere latitudes lere moi kakna baje sijina ko network ma form tori hariba network sibo ko ne kai kore grid kore. These horizontal and vertical lines meet at every point on the Earth's surface. Sigi latitudes ka longitude ka jing jamoje Earth ki surface khudi mak da loine thing nahi ba moje. The meeting point of a parallel and meridians help us to locate a place on the Earth. Jaga leba Earth leba jaga ma koi latitudes and longitudes ki mogi coordinates to toraga jaga hamje karai da lei ha jo koina khangba ngame. Next longitude and timeline. The word meridian comes from a Latin word meridis meaning midday. Midday kawi ko meridian hai do Latin word ni asengba magi meaning na kari midday kawi. All places of the same meridian of longitudes have midday at the same time. Meridians minus north pole to south pole man line maching bato sigi mapaja taba lam ngai loina midday oeba. Chap mana ba matamda. When the sun is overhead at the longitude where we are, we call it noon or midday. Kone leriba latitude chida numi chap yung pa timing se sibo kone midday kawi ko. This is our local time. Sija koi ki local time neba. The sun cannot be overhead at two meridians at a time. Matamama katang da numi china meridian ani gi jaga da same time da overhead ta leiba deba. Ani meridian ani da amutang da numi yung ba deba. So the local time measures from the north of the overhead sun varies from one meridian to another meridian. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete a full turning on its axis. Sumaina round ama ungma matam sida Earth che 24 hours changi dana 1 day hare ko. So next thing is it means that its turns through 360 is in 24 hours is 15 degree in 1 hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Degree 15 chapa matam na pung ama change ba. Degree ma chapa matam dana minute mari chang ba. Thus, for 15 degree of longitudinal difference, the time difference will be 1 hour. Still, 15 hairo. Sidagi 15 chalaga degree chala like lamamaga 6 home the 15 duga 15 and 15 plus 15 30 lere. 15 degree the labor time duga 30 degree the labor time duga punga makenarani. A place located at 15 degree east of Greenwich will have sunrise 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. Greenwich laiba jaga se sigi matam se sida magi numit tholokpa timing se sidagi hana mai mamang da laiba 15 degree da laiba aduna punga ma hana numit thokani. Similarly, a place located at 15 degree west of Greenwich will have sunrise 1 hour later than Greenwich. Greenwich da hojing numit thoe adu targi magi west lomda 15 degree da chalaga laiba meridian do adawai jaga du da numit thokase punga mai matung tholakani. Accordingly, the earth is divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. 24 time zone khaidoeba khoigi Prithvi je pung amamam khenaraga. So when it is noon at Greenwich the numijung kanda, it is 6 p.m. at 90 degree east. 90 degree east lom saitana 90 degree east lom da 6 p.m. warni nungdang warni aduga 90 degree west lom da laiba lamduna nungdangi 6 a.m. warni ba. And midnight at 180 and so on. Aduga 180 degree dana midnight waitu. Large countries like Russia and the United States have several time zones, each differing from the adjacent one by an hour. Hariba Russia gumba United States yam sawidana lam yam sawbnina moigi time zone je mayam khaidoeba. Our country extends from 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. 68 degrees 7 minute east tagina kadaibo cover toba 97 degree 25 minute east po cover toba longitude sta. This is a longitudinal difference of about 30 degrees. 30 degree muki chang khenabaleidna between the eastern and the western part of the country. Eastern ga western part ka akoi ki country gi jingda kadorni. It means that when the local time is 12 noon at Arunachal Pradesh, ki islongi side ki Arunachal Pradesh da pung 12 tama tamda, it will be 10 am in Gujarat. Gujarat ta pung 10 tarani. Adubu, this will create problems for the people to function. Pung je lama ma khatang yam kaina khenara gadi mioi bena function taw matam da koi leriba lamjida function taw matam sida problem khar tholani. Therefore, the local time of a central meridian of India is taken as the standard time of the whole country. Khogi central meridian khogi India gi central meridian se sida leiba time zone se sina khoi whole India gi khoi standard time lo. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east. Ngasai haigiba longitude anidugi mayai 82 degree 30 minute east. The local time of the meridian is followed all over the country. It is known as Indian Standard Time, IST habito. Okay, so ngasi social science akoi globe ne nagram magi latitudes aduga longitudes aduga magi degree kamai onba of the equator na earth ki central le longitude ki maya na koi Greenwich the reference loroga degree to all na koi khana kre. So ngasi gi oini selo shalasi aduga next class ta mu atopa chapter ma mu nei narsi.